Good morning, friends. Welcome to your morning dose of DGen and crypto news. Guys, we are so close to the Bitcoin halving. Look at this. I have a countdown up here. You can also visit nicehash.com and check it out. We are only 10 days away from the Bitcoin halving, and I have some Bitcoin Runestone massive announcements to tell you about. There are airdrops coming for holders. We're going to talk about that. It's free money if you already have your Runestone. So also, we're going to talk about some Bitcoin pre-halving predictions. Definitely drop your predictions in the chat. I want to hear what you guys think. 10 days, 8 hours, 4 minutes, and 47 seconds. Depending on if this stays at April 19th, if it's, the 19th, I won't be in Miami for the conference yet, but right around halving on the 22nd, 23rd, we do have the Bitcoin Energy Summit going on in Miami. So that should be a lot of fun. I have posted and shared on my Twitter the links for it and everything, but definitely check out the Bitcoin Energy Summit if you are going to be in Miami. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the markets this morning. We are sitting at a 79 in our fear and greed index. Let me pull this over here, make sure that everyone can see. Dog. Yes, dog. We are going to be talking about dog. All right, we have Bitcoin sitting at 69,000, Ethereum at 3,500, BNB is at 579, about what it was yesterday. Solana sitting at $170, and XRP at 61 cents. We did get a little bit lucky this morning, and lucky with XRP is moving up a couple percent. And I believe we got to 64, about 64.30 this morning. So some people catching that pump, but it could still be slowly but surely moving up. The stochastic RSIs are still curved up on the daily. And let me go over here to the 4-hour. Yeah, and 4 hours, just kind of deciding what it wants to do ultimately. If Bitcoin dumps, even though Bitcoin was down this morning, XRP was up, but if Bitcoin dumps today, we could still see XRP completely dump with this. So just kind of waiting to see what it does, if it makes up its mind. It did break out of the downward trend here. So if you went long on that yesterday, you were definitely in the profits, or at least for a little bit today you were. All right, speaking of other tokens that are absolutely killing it, I want to talk about Peasy. Guys, I've been talking about Peasy. All right, this is my DGen token. I have officially 10x'd on Peasy, and I'm really excited about that. Yeah, waking up to profits is awesome. So I was excited to be in early on that. $1.48 million market cap yesterday. It reached a $1 million market cap. Guys, after $1 million market cap, typically that's when you begin to see fireworks with a lot of these meme coins. So me getting in a couple $100,000, that was awesome. Like, it feels so good when that happens. I can't even tell you. You guys know how good it feels whenever you make gains. So there's another one. The market cap is higher than this, but I decided that I was going to get into it last night. My friend told me about it, so I had to hurry up and buy this dip. This is allegedly, this is all street bets. These are on Base, guys. The memes I'm telling you about are on Base. Base is huge. Base is becoming a meme coin mecca, along with real projects building, obviously. I'm pretty bullish on Base. The trading volume on Base is absolutely insane. But there is a 33% dip on this. I'm cool with buying that kind of a dip. So I got a little bag. The market cap is 26 million on this. So obviously it's not ridiculously high, but it is kind of high for me to enter into a meme coin. That's why I only buy dips when I see, depending on what the market cap is. So allegedly, All Street Bets is created by the same founder of Wall Street Bets. You know what? I'm in. YOLO. I'm your DGen. So this is the one I've jumped into. So we are going to see how it plays out. I took a little bit of Peasy profit, rolled it into here. So we're going to see. I haven't popped onto any new ones in Solana over the weekend. I was looking at the Costco hot dog token. I'll take a look at that one. That's the only other one I'm going to look at right now. And down a little bit. Not crazy. Let me see if I can pull up Dex Tools. Dex Screener. So Dex Screener is what you're going to use for Solana whenever you pop on to check those tokens. Last night, guys, I sat with my mom for hours working on her crypto. I'm very proud of her, but let me tell you, I put her onto the Merlin tracker and we're loading all of her wallets and everything in there. It is making it so much easier for me to be able to explain what she holds. Guys, if you help your family with crypto, definitely check out Merlin Crypto Tracker. You get free for 30 days. Link should be posted below. If not, I'll post it later. But definitely get yourself onto that free trial with Merlin. And you can even sign up for the free trial right from their website. Definitely check it out. It's a great way to keep track of your tokens. Okay, this one's Horan. I'm not worried about Horan right now. Let's see. Horan's been chugging along. They're still making cool memes on Twitter. They're still funny, but it's not what I'm looking at right now. Hot dog. So I use a lot of these. I'm in and out like a robbery because I want to make more Solana and I want to make more money to buy real things in the real world. I could give a shit about these tokens long term. I do not care about them. I care about making money. So when I see profits with them, I'm going to take them. We did pump up to like 13 cents. That not quite enough profit for me on this to take any. So I'm just letting the tokens I have ride with this and hope that it pumps, pretty hard. If it does, I will definitely be taking some profit on that or most of it. Not married to these tokens. Peasy, I'm riding. I'm definitely riding Peasy. That sounded bad. Didn't sound good. That doesn't sound right. All right. Liquidations. Let's see what's going on. Oh, longs are getting liquidated. Are you in a long this morning? I don't get liquidated. I don't get liquidated because I put everything on cross and I use smaller margins and I don't over leverage myself. That's why I don't get liquidated. But there are people out here still doing it. Get smarter, guys. Get smarter. Okay. All kinds of Bitcoin predictions. And I'm seeing both sides. I'm seeing extremely bullish scenarios. I'm seeing people talking about April's going to completely dump. We're going to see more of a pullback. I'm hearing analysts say, the 40% pullbacks that we have are now 20%. The 20% is now the new 40%. Here, we're going to take a look at an article from Arthur Hayes. Well, it's not written by him, but it's quoting him. He believes that Bitcoin may face selling pressure in the second half of April as supposedly bullish impact of halving. He believes it is already well entrenched, and he believes that U.S. tax payments could suck dollar liquidity from the financial system, fueling risk aversion and a fire sale of risk assets. I was speaking to someone this morning who is a tax professional who believes that probably won't have that large of an impact because usually the tax payments are due in November and for businesses and such, and people are dumping then. People might have to pull some out of digital assets to pay some tax bills, but it may not be as high of a dump or as much of a dump as, projected here. But this is from Arthur Hayes, who is a co-founder and former CEO of the crypto exchange BitMEX. And he believes that the bullish halving narrative is well entrenched, like we said. He believes that another correction of at least 10% is coming. And he also follows up by saying that he believes that this is just going to go on through April and that May we will be on our way back up again. So just kind of goes through and explains that when the dollar's liquidity dries up, it appreciates against other fiat currencies, and whereas with dollar-dominated loans, higher interest expenses, and scale back exposure to risk assets like cryptocurrency and technology stocks. Maybe not. It seems like everybody is pretty bullish on crypto and is seeing it as a flight to safety. So we will see. It's definitely certainly not the case with meme tokens. And I had another article pulled up, but unfortunately, it completely freezes up my computer about Doge predictions and going to a multi-billion-dollar market cap. Well, Doge is sitting at I think it's 20. Let me pull it up here. $1 billion market cap that I saw this morning. What is it? $27 billion market cap for Doge. Okay. So honestly, for Doge to go to a $100 billion market cap, I could see that happening. I see that. Or $1 billion. Yeah, $100 billion market cap, definitely. It's not that far from where it is now. So a few X's on Doge, yeah, definitely. I think that these are a new asset class. So, take with it what you will, but I think that we're still going to have a parabolic run. And if we do dip down, have some money on the side. If you want to buy some things cheaper, some crypto cheaper, use that as opportunity. So I definitely would love to hear your thoughts about what's going to happen, what you think is going to happen pre-halving. Let's see who's in the house. Good morning, Alexandra G. You got Investing Pros in the house. Mark, hello. Hey, friends. Hey, Steven. Welcome to the stream. And hi to everyone who is tuning in on Twitter. Nice to see you. Thanks for hanging out. Okay, guys, the big news this morning. Bitcoin Runes meme coin dog will be airdropped to Runestone holders. If you don't know about these runestones, they are Bitcoin inscriptions, okay? Ordinals, all this stuff. This is huge, but they're going to be doing something very, very big for their holders. Look at this little dog token. Yes, more dog tokens, guys. Dog tokens are hot. I don't know what to tell you. Following a successful airdrop in March, the Runestone project is gearing up for its next airdrop, which will feature a cuddly little puppy. Bitcoin wallets were airdropped. Bitcoin wallets that were airdropped Runestones will receive 3 meme coins starting at the dog airdrop later this month. If you were paying attention, and I put out that Runestone ordinal tweet to announce to everybody on my Twitter when that airdrop happened. So if you got into that, good for you. If they still hold their Runestone inscriptions, they're going to get airdrop these. Look at this cuteness. Oh, I don't think that's a real puppy. I think it's an AI puppy, but it's still ridiculously freaking cute. I love this quote by Leonidas on Twitter. He says, the central bank is collapsing and fiat hyperinflation narrative only resonates with a small segment of population, but everyone likes a cute puppy and an orange hoodie, the Runestone contributor Leonidas told Decrypt. As Leonidas explained, Runestone holders will be airdropped the dog meme coin once the Rune protocol goes live during the Bitcoin halving later this month, provided they haven't sold or otherwise transferred them in the meantime, that is. They are going to get dog, and there's going to be 2 more airdrops coming. So if you just hold, you're going to get them. He has not released the names of them. It's amazing though, guys. And this stuff, the value of it goes up. It's all about the scarcity. And if people didn't get the airdrop, they're going to want it. They're going to buy it. It's crazy. This is like whenever the Solana phones came out and they were getting all the airdrops and everything like that. Don't fade airdrops. They're free money. It pays to do a little extra research and open extra wallets, and just to take a couple extra minutes out of your day to do. Yeah, it can be like confusing to do some of this stuff. It could be a few extra steps, but it's also free money. He said the only way to receive the dog airdrop is to hold a runestone. Last month, Runestone Ordinals inscriptions were airdropped to 112,000 eligible wallets. Ordinals minting platform Ordinals Bots partnered with the Runestone project to execute the massive inscription delivery. In February, speculation began on Twitter over a potential airdrop tied to the highly anticipated Runes fungible token standard from Rod Armor, the original creator of the Ordinals protocol. Leonidas had called Runestone a pre-Runes project. When Runes launches on Bitcoin network, the Runestone inscriptions received the airdrop will convert to a Rune token on the new protocol. According to the inscription marketplace Ordinals wallet, Runestone has a total trading volume of 41.6 Bitcoin, around 2.9 million since the project launched in March. If Ethereum has a dog coin with a $17 billion market cap, there is no reason why Bitcoin, which is 3 times larger than Ethereum, shouldn't also have a very popular dog token. And obviously, he was referring to Shiba Inu whenever he made that comment. So let's see if dog, the dog token, goes to the moon. Pretty awesome stuff, guys. And one of my least favorite projects, but I'm going to tell you what's going on with it. Worldcoin, I did make a tweet earlier, I think it was last week, saying Worldcoin should trade at 0. I'm not a fan. I don't like this project because honestly, I don't like what could be done with it and with your data and everything like that. I just think it could go poorly. So Worldcoin has put out a statement that you can delete your data, your iRetina. Like if you get it scanned, you can delete it, but there is a 6-month cool off period. They said that's initiated to help protect against fraud by ensuring individuals cannot immediately re-verify their humanness. At the end of this cool off period, their iris code will be permanently deleted and unrecoverable. So they did put that into place. Do I necessarily believe that it's deleted? I don't know. But, once you do this, it's out there. And this is coming because they had a lot of scrutiny from countries, obviously, people, just a lot. They're also going to be ensuring that the people who sign up, they're doing in-person age verification checks to humans, to people who are 18 years and older. I'm glad that they're at least responsibly doing that. So good to know. And I still don't like that project. So guys, that's all I have for you this morning. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll be here on Thursday at 10:30 a.m. for your morning dose of daily DGen. Peace out, my DGen friends.